Hello and a very warm welcome to Khwaja's academic channel. The sole purpose to start this channel is to clear any ambiguities that students of intermediate classes encounter while preparing for their examinations. As you all know, paper pattern is the first step and it clearly does hold paramount importance. In this series of tutorials, we shall attempt to tackle one aspect at a time. Therefore, in this first tutorial, we will discuss the objective type paper pattern that is presently implemented at the intermediate level. Hopefully, after watching this tutorial, students will be able to plan their attempt of taking the exams in a more efficient manner. Without further much ado, let's embark upon our journey and discuss the paper pattern of first year English. The first question that you come across in your papers is type objective, which carries 20 marks. And although it apparently gives an impression of a simple walkover, let me assure you it is not. This needs to be approached more seriously, since these 20 marks can go a long way in defining your respective careers. This first question is further segregated into 3 parts. We shall have a look at each part accordingly. The first part is choose the correct option in meaning to the underlined words, which is also popularly known as a question pertaining to synonyms. This question carries 10 marks, but as you can see, there are 3 parts. In the first part, there are 5 multiple choice questions which are taken from short stories, book 1. Then, 3 multiple choice questions are taken from the plays, book 3, and 2 multiple choice questions are taken from the poems, book 3 again. The next segment is choose the correct answer, which carries 5 marks. There are 3 multiple choice questions which are taken from book 1, the short stories, and 2 from the plays from book 3. Last but not the least, it is choose the correct form of verbs question. This carries 5 marks. The grand total, as you can see, is 20 marks. Remember that in every question you will be given 4 options, out of which only one, I repeat, one will be considered as correct. I hope that this tutorial would be beneficial for those who were having difficulties in understanding the paper pattern. Keep studying and share any further ambiguities that you still have, and I shall attempt to respond and clarify those. Khwaja Hassan signing out.